Believe me, you want to make this dip. Everyone in my family loves this dip. It's easy to make and takes just a few ingredients. Here's what you need: minced garlic, garlic chili sauce, kosher salt, ground black pepper, diced onion, lemon juice, olive oil, reduced sodium soy sauce, steamed and cooled edamame, fresh cilantro. After collecting and preparing your ingredients, toss them all into a food processor. I can't stand pulling the leaves off cilantro, so I just use stems and all. Blend all this together with the food processor, but leave a little texture. Don't blend it into a fine paste. In my food processor, you have to take a few breaks to push the mixture back down toward the blade. Once you have it all blended to the consistency you want, it's ready to serve. I like it on chips, crackers, or just about anything like that really.